Okay, so hello students, very good afternoon everyone. As you know, I'm your science teacher and here I'm just going to take a class of class 6. Okay, so students, in a class 6 today you have given your exam of unit test second, and I hope that exam was very well. Okay, because of all the questions related with your exercise of the lesson. Okay, today in this video I'm just going to ahead of the chapter what I was started. Okay, that is your water chapter, the chapter which is belong to the water. Okay, and I told you about the water cycle in the atmosphere and in earth, the movement of a water atmosphere to earth and back to atmosphere. I told you. Okay, in this video I'm just going to telling you about some disaster of the water. It means disaster of a water means the lots of a problem created by the human beings and lots of the natural problems. So sometimes the disasters of the water is also happen, which is a very harmful and which lost the lots of a life and lots of a property of a in a earth. Okay, so we are going to read here what is the disaster of a water. Okay, the first one is talking about the drought. Okay, drought is a very big disaster. Okay, which is occur when the very too less of a water is occurring due to the any natural or any artificial any human made reason. Okay, now what is a drought? It means you have to understand the too much lack of a water, that is known as a drought. And the reason of a drought is can be very different type, like the very less of a raining. Okay, the different type of in a summer seasons the raining is not happen, and underground lack of the underground water. If the we lots of time we cut the plants for the industrialization for our needs human being. So what will be happen, because of the plant is very necessary for the raining, and if we cut the plant for our needs, then what will be happen, the amount of the rain is very less and there is no plant, so rain will be not okay, and that's why the drought is happen. Okay, so drought, this is in one case it is given in the Maharashtra in the 2013. The Maharashtra, the drought problem happened, the drought disaster was happened in 2013, that have very dangerous disaster. That was a very dangerous disasters. Was by the drought in Maharashtra, lots of cattle was died by the heating process, and lots of persons also was suffer from the lack of water. Okay, then after about drought, what is the reason? We know what is the reason and what we have to do to protect them. So we will discuss about it. Well, protect them, they don't cut lots of trees, just more and more afforestation have to do. Okay, and the save water and save life, this is the missions also. This is the campaign is going to in our India's, because of the water distribution is a very less, and we are talking about the drinking water, so it is also very less. Okay, so we must have to know how we have to save the water, and that's why the campaign is also going on, the save water and save life, Jal Hi Jeevan Hai in a Hindi. Okay, now the second one is a flood. Flood is also the disaster of the water. If the too lack of water, you can say that too lack of water is known as a drought. So too much water is known as a flood. Okay, so why the flood is occurring? By it is a natural disaster. Okay, so lots sometimes because of the undistributed different climatic conditions, then water, lots of rivers flowing, lots of water is raining. Then after what will be happen, because of the no water system to water system to save the water, no well dam, no the areas is not clean, lots of reasons. So no plants are cut so much. So these all are the reasons to for the floods, and the flood is a very harmful disaster. Okay, so then flood happens, then the lots of life, lots of property is also affected. Okay, and here because of the flood, the water is the soil erosion is also happen. Okay, the fast flowing water can flow all the plants or the soils which is for soil fertile, which is necessary for the growing of a plant. Okay, and because of the flood water is mixed with lots of different unclean and clean water, then for it the different diseases also occur. Okay, and the property is lost and life is lost. Flood is example. Generally, in Bombay in 2020, the Bombay in the timing during the timing of Corona, the Bombay side and the West Bengal side also the flood was occurred. Okay, so flood is a very known disaster and very dangerous disaster. Okay, and sometimes for because of the flood, the disease is also spreaded one time in a more and more persons. So the disease, what is the result of the flood? The different disease occurs, starvation, loss of life, loss of property occur, and the disease which is spreaded in a one time 2,000 and more than 1,000 people in a one time, that this is known as a epidemic. Okay, so okay, so this is all about of my today's class. Okay, so it is not, the topic is not finished today, but time is over. Tomorrow I'll tell you about it widely. Okay, and tomorrow I also I will take your live class, so you have to join in live class because of today you have given the test, so you have carry, so you can ask me in your live class. Okay, so this is all about of my today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.